So we got a box here from our friends Devin and Tyler from Tyde Music down in Truckee, California. And we're doing a special project where I sent them some wood, they sent me some wood. We're gonna make 2 instruments. So I have no idea. Well, I think we're gonna try to find customers for these instruments, Henry. So we don't know what kind of wood's in here. We don't know what they sent. So we're gonna find out, right?
There's just a box in a box in a box in a box in a box.
A box in a box? It looks like it. So move that one out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, Henry, come here. Let's see what's in here.
Wood.
Looks like all kinds of stuff. Yeah, move that stuff out of the way. Interesting.
What's this?
Okay, so look, first it looks like a neck blank.
What are these?
I think these are, they use these things to make little boxes and stuff, or shakers. So it looks like, it says, a pocket uke cutout from their CNC models. So they make a little pocket ukulele out of that.
What's a pocket ukulele?
It's a really small one. And look, this looks like you could make a box or a shaker from that.
Pocket it. Now this is a pocket
Because it fits in your
ukulele.
pocket. Okay, so it looks like we got a neck blank, probably mahogany and walnut. That looks like a nice neck. Said, this is Jatoba, furniture scrap. Oh, so Jatoba, that's like Brazilian cherry. It's really hard, and it's red colored.
I love cherry.
And it's a scrap wood from furniture.
This box is in boxes. What's this?
It's just some packing material. Okay, so Lake Tahoe pure wood. So this is cedar. And look at the cool,
what's this?
look at the cool nail holes
What's
in it.
this?
Well, hold on, don't touch. Hold on. Wait for that. Look at the nail holes in the cedar. So that came from a dock. We like that. I think this is some more Jatoba. Oh no, redwood. This is from a cabin. So redwood top.
What's this?
Hold on, we'll talk about that in a second. And some nice walnut. Walnut from the North Lake Tahoe cabin set countertop. So some very nice walnut for the back and sides. That's pretty cool.
Newspaper, not cool.
What's this? This says more pure wood from Lake Tahoe mahogany. Oh, so the neck is pure wood too, mahogany neck. And Henry, this is really special.
What is that?
It's got fungus on it still. Do you see that? This is some of the cedar.
Fungus?
This is Lake Tahoe boathouse shingle. So it's a shingle. It's got some lichen. He says it's lichen, not fungus, but lichen.
Yeah.
So do you think?
I'm scared of fungus. Lichen and no. Fungus and moss makes lichen.
Yeah. I think. Do you think we could build something where we can keep the lichen on it and not have it fall off? We have to glue it on, huh?
Just like take the lichen off and then glue it on.
Okay, so that's a lot of cool wood. We're gonna make a uke from this wood, and they're gonna make a uke from our wood.
What did you say? Don't touch.
Oh, I didn't want you to break it off. Yeah. Okay, thanks a lot, Devin and Tyler. I look forward to working on these projects. Cheers.